Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It's wonderful to be here today. I'm very happy to talk with everyone.
I'm happy too, Jack. You look great today. You have so much energy.
Thank you, Olivia. I feel really good today. I feel healthy and positive.
That's perfect, because today we have a very special topic.
Oh, I love special topics. What are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about healthy habits, simple things we can do every day to feel better, stronger, and happier.
That is a very important topic. Everyone wants to feel good, right?
Exactly. But before we start, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, everyone. If you enjoy our lessons, please click the like button right now. It really helps our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Daily. When you subscribe, you help us create more fun and useful English lessons for you.
Also, please share this video with your friends. If someone wants to learn English and live a healthier life, send them this video.
Thank you so much. Okay, Jack, are you ready to talk about healthy habits?
I'm ready. Where do we begin?
Let's start with something very simple, something we all need every single day. Water.
Ah, yes, water. I know water. But Olivia, you know me. I really love coffee.
I know, Jack. I love coffee too, but our bodies need water more than coffee.
That's true. I drink a lot of coffee, but sometimes I forget to drink water.
Many people forget, but drinking enough water is a very healthy habit. It helps your brain work better and keeps your body strong.
So, how much water should we drink every day?
Many experts say about 8 glasses a day.
8 glasses? That sounds like a lot.
It sounds like a lot, but you don't need to drink it all at once. Remember, start small.
Right. So maybe 1 glass in the morning?
Yes, 1 glass when you wake up. It's like saying, "Hello, body. Here is your water." I like that idea.
Then maybe 1 glass before lunch and 1 before dinner? It becomes easy.
That sounds doable. Do you like cold water or warm water?
In summer, I like cold water. In winter, warm water is very nice. Sometimes I add lemon.
Lemon? That sounds fancy.
It's not fancy at all, just lemon. It makes water taste fresh.
I'll try that tomorrow. A healthy start to the day.
Great! Now let's talk about food. Healthy eating.
Food is my favorite topic. But Olivia, I love pizza, especially pepperoni pizza on Friday nights.
I remember, and I love cheese pizza. Pizza is okay sometimes. It's a want, not a need.
Right. Like we said before, needs and wants.
Exactly. Our bodies need healthy food every day, like fruits and vegetables.
Vegetables.
Jack, don't make that face. Vegetables can be delicious.
Okay. I like carrots. They're crunchy.
Carrots are great. They're good for your eyes. I also love tomatoes.
Yes, tomatoes are good, especially in salads.
A great habit is to eat many colors, like a rainbow on your plate.
Red tomatoes, orange carrots, green broccoli.
Yes, eating colors makes healthy eating fun.
When I go shopping, I'll look for colorful food.
Perfect. Red, yellow, green, it's beautiful and healthy.
And fruit? I love fruit.
Fruit is wonderful. It's like healthy candy.
Healthy candy. I love apples and oranges.
An apple a day is a very famous healthy habit.
I usually eat a banana in the morning.
That's excellent. Bananas give you energy.
I already feel more energetic. So now we have water and healthy food. What's next?
Moving? Exercise?
Yes, moving your body is very important.
But I'm busy. I sit at my desk all day.
You don't need to go to the gym for hours.
Good. I don't like loud gyms.
Walking is enough. Walking is one of the best exercises.
I walk to the bus stop every morning.
That's great. Maybe you can add a 10-minute walk after lunch.
10 minutes? I can do that.
Fresh air helps your mind, too.
Yes, walking makes me feel less stressed.
And don't forget posture. Stand tall.
Like a superhero.
Exactly. Now, what about stairs?
My office is on the 3rd floor.
Perfect. Use the stairs instead of the elevator.
Okay, maybe once a day.
Small steps lead to big changes.
Literally small steps.
Now, one more very important habit. Sleep.
I knew it. I love my bed, but I don't sleep enough.
Sleep is when your body repairs itself.
I feel tired and grumpy without sleep.
Most people need 7 or 8 hours.
That means earlier bedtime.
Yes, create a bedtime routine.
No phone?
No phone. Read a book or listen to calm music.
Or Easy English Daily?
Only calm episodes.
And my blue pajamas.
Perfect.
Water, food, walking, sleep. All simple habits.
Yes, and they don't cost much money.
Water is cheap. Walking is free. Sleeping is free.
Great budget for health.
I want to be the healthiest Jack ever.
What about your mind?
Being happy is important too.
Yes, do things you love. Laugh. Talk to friends.
Talking to you makes me happy.
Me too. Laughing is good for your heart.
Then we're very healthy.
Also, take 1 quiet minute to breathe.
1 minute of Jack time.
Exactly.
Let's review. First, water,
Then, colorful food,
walking, and stairs,
good sleep,
and happiness.
perfect summary.
Everyone try one small healthy habit today.
Tell us in the comments, what habit will you start?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy English Daily.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.